Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So now I'm all set with my primer and moisturizer, and now I start with my concealer. First apply the concealer and blend it very well. Now I apply the Sugar Pan stick and then blend it very well and smoothly. And now I apply foundation and blend the same process. And now do my eyebrows and then take a contour set and contour my nose and cheeks. And now I apply the peach blusher. Now I do my eye with a red liner. I will be do only one side cause other side we will do some skeleton structure. And now let's see how to do this skeleton structure. If you like my video, so please subscribe my channel and don't forget to tap the like button. And now I do my lips and lips also do one side. Now I apply the red shadow on the under eye. Now I apply the highlighter. Mascara and then I'm done. Thank you for watching.